Hey, what is up, investor? Jason here. Today we're going to be talking about Cosmos, also known under its token name Atom. Now, the interesting thing here with Cosmos is as we're seeing many cryptocurrencies on the decline right now, Cosmos is one that has managed to continue to pump a little bit here. So we're going to be talking about this, doing a technical analysis and a price prediction, and also covering a little bit of news that is out there. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story annihilate or just gently press that like button. Helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Let's get to it. Now, looking over at CoinMarketCap, Cosmos is the 20th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It's right underneath Ethereum Classic, and it's above Uniswap and Litecoin and Chainlink. So, I mean, it's really been climbing up the ranks here as well as far as crypto market cap goes. So in these last 24 hours, Cosmos is up about 2.5%. Over the last 7 days, it's down about 1.5% at the time I'm making this right now. Now, due to the Ethereum merge and how much attention was brought onto that, Cosmos is now starting to get attention drawn to it due to its ecosystem, as well as the total value locked within that ecosystem. Now, I'm still new, invested into Cosmos, and still really learning about what all there is to offer with it, learning about IBC, learning about the inter blockchain connection, as this is one very interesting detail to it. So on June 18th, Cosmos reached its 52-week low, which is the start of our Fibonacci retracement tool that we're going to be using. At that time, the price Cosmos was around $5.50. So that was the 52-week low. And then from that point, we saw the price of Cosmos start turning around, and we saw an increase of about 150% in the price. And on September 9th, we saw the price of Cosmos reaching up around $17.20, somewhere around there is where the price went. And that's also above its 200-day moving average. So these are very key things to be paying attention to. It's going to really help us out with the technicals. So using Elliot wave, there's a couple things here with the technicals that could be playing out. One, we can consider this downtrend that we had 5 waves, and right now we're in the process of this corrective wave. Now, I'm looking at this current movements within the price of Cosmos. What we have going on is we have this possible ABC corrective wave currently in the works, and let's just assume that this is our wave A, our wave B, and then this is our wave C right now. So we're still trying to figure out what's going on here. Are we going to be extending a wave C? Are we going to go back and reach this top here within this Fibonacci level? How is this going to play out right now? And that's what we kind of got to figure out. But at the same time, what if we were to make some other adjustments? And what if we were to say that maybe Cosmos right now is still experiencing a 5th wave and there's more downside to come? Maybe we're seeing a little bit of a rally, but there's just some current hype right now with the Ethereum merge, and things could still go into a downtrend. And that would be if we were to then adjust our 5 waves here and instead say, okay, this is a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, where our wave 5 is. This is our wave 4. And then whatever's going on here could just be a continuation into a downtrend. That could be a possibility as well. I mean, there's multiple scenarios here. So, I mean, I think I have to start putting in these bearish scenarios as well when doing these analysis here, because we can't just go, okay, everything's going to continue being bullish. So let's go into a bullish and a bearish price prediction within this information here. So there's that possibility right now we're within a corrective wave, and there might be more to the upside to go. So let's use that with a bullish price prediction, and let's also then jump into that possibility of there being a continued impulse here, and the 5th wave is what's going to be coming next with continued downtrend. So that's possibility B. So now let's go into a price prediction from here. So what a lot of people are hoping for is that when we see the price of Atom reaching this top Fibonacci level, that there will be a really nice breakout to happen. But there's also a lot of people that are just really hoping for that $20 price, seeing the price of Cosmos reaching $20 as a possibility. Now, that's what would really lead us into the top part of our bullish price prediction, or anything above really $20. That's more of a moon scenario, but I mean, that's a real good possibility of seeing that happen. But I mean, Cosmos isn't really having a whole lot of influence with what the rest of the crypto market is doing, and that's a good thing, that it does have its own abilities to have some traction within the market right now. So if we were to continue seeing that play out, what we could easily just see these waves continue here. If we were to say that what we got going on right now was a wave one pattern, so let's just go into this being a wave one, and say if we were to come down a little bit and then instead just go right into this bullish price, break through that 1720 price, go right up into that $20 price as we lead into October as a possibility. Maybe see a little bit of a correction from there, and then maybe we'll end up seeing that fifth wave take us up. Maybe even doing a really nice retracement of some previous levels within these previous waves that we did have. That's a possibility if we were to see some sort of momentum. Now, obviously, the timelines could change. They can work out in whatever way, but that's a scenario that could happen. Now, obviously, then there's that other scenario of this actually just being that a fifth wave. And if that was the case, then that would just continue going down from there. And we would just end up falling right into that bearish price prediction, going back and retracing that 52-week low. And that could be the case. Or this could just be a fifth wave that would correct back into this bottom Fibonacci level, that 52-week low, seeing the price of Atom at around $5.50 as a possibility. Now, hopefully we get the bullish case scenario, because there's usually a lot of momentum that we do see within crypto starting in the month of October, because, well, everybody at that time is spending money. October, November, December, the stock market usually does a bit better. We finish out the fourth quarter of the year. That's usually a good time for things. That's when we really saw, Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping last year. So I'm hoping that that's going to be the case. Obviously, there's a lot of fear right now with interest rates, and that can be something that is really affecting the crypto market. Now, I like seeing that Atom has its own mind of its own right now, and is doing its own thing, not following Bitcoin or Ethereum. But I mean, we have to also take in consideration that just as quickly that it is going up right now, it can just fall down. But anything within this neutral price prediction, seeing the price of Atom, at around $14 to even $10 around there, that's a good price. I mean, that's a good recovery from $5.50. I mean, that's still 100% gain if you can get it. If you can get it around $10, $11. So I mean, that's a good gain on the price just over a matter of a couple months, depending on if you were somebody that bought it within that time. But there's just so much momentum here. I'm hoping that we don't see a scenario happen that is similar to what we've been seeing with Ethereum, where Ethereum has been really retracing a lot of its more recent gains that it had starting from June. So anyways, that's what's currently going on. Now, I'll keep you guys updated. Cosmos is in the queue here. Plenty of other cryptocurrencies to talk about. You guys feel free to check out the channel memberships. I'm going to start taking more requests from people within the channel memberships. I don't have any channel members right now. And I also do have a Discord that I'm working on right now, so we can keep some conversations in there and get away from all the spam within the comments section. So that's definitely worth checking out as well. So anyways, though, I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll just see you guys in the next one coming here probably within the next couple hours.